biggest challenge for our industry right now is a quick adaptability. Our management and our staffs and our R&D people are going out and finding the niche markets that we can participate in and bring our expertise in the product, but also our expertise in the managing of the business and our customer service to make that the #1 goal now.
BGF Industries is a leading manufacturer of specialty woven and non-woven materials made from fiberglass, carbon, and other strong heat-resistant fibers. The company has always collected massive amounts of production data, but often lacked the ability to make best use of the information.
We collected data on every possible thing you can collect data on. That was the problem. We had so much data that we were drowning in data. So data collection was never an issue. Data management, however, was a nightmare. The idea was, let's put the data, use the data, mine the data, put it in front of the people that can make decisions, and let them make decisions instead of trying to go mine the data.
BGF is using SAS Enterprise BI Server to constantly monitor and analyze manufacturing data collected every day. Keeping ahead of production trends helps enable the materials firm to keep quality high and respond more quickly.
Quality on all of our products has evolved as the years have gone by. So we've seen a huge increase in quality demands, and the only way to meet those quality demands is actually to tweak the process, and without tweaking the process without data is asking for a disaster. So this project, there was implementation that we did, I coined the term early warning system. Basically we used the SAS intelligence and some of its statistical analysis tools to give us a heads up, if you will, on trend analysis, and have been able to make across the board quality improvements simply because the data is in front of somebody who has the skill and expertise to understand it.
Materials manufactured by BGF are used in products as diverse as aircraft and automotive parts, bulletproof vests, vehicle armor, surfboards, and electronic circuitry. To meet business objectives, BGF must operate efficiently and adapt quickly to changing market requirements.
Having quick access to the data, of course, makes all the difference in the world, because when you're operating high-speed machinery, if something goes wrong, it goes wrong really fast. And you can incur a great deal of financial damage if you don't respond quickly. Having the ability to have the data globally available puts it in the hands of the people that need it, and no longer do they have to call someone like myself to go extract the data, and then you don't know if you're extracting the correct data because they are asking what they believe to be true. So with the standardized system, there's one version of the truth, and the data is the data, and this is how we agree the data is presented.
BGF has developed an online portal to capture information about manufacturing production issues. The database is an invaluable resource for root cause analysis.
Part of the applications that we also put in is a very simple process of capturing the knowledge of all of our gurus. And so 45 years of experience, when they finally decide that they're going to retire, I still have a piece of them, I have their knowledge, and I've captured, and I've actually data mined their experience. And one day I hope the first place I look for an issue is there. When I look to see what caused problem X, I can go to this repository and look at information of the sages, and tells me, okay, this is probably where we need to go look.
With SAS Enterprise BI Server, BGF Industries is able to monitor production, spot and track quality issues, and respond quickly, all of which directly impacts the bottom line.
What we've done so far undoubtedly has paid for itself. And I say that for this reason. I use a rough figure. Just on our quality testing data side, we had between 4.5 and 5 million data points, probably more than that. If I just use rough numbers and say $1 a data point, that's a $5 million investment that I have sitting in a data warehouse generating no interest, generating no return. It became invisible. It was part of doing business, keeping data, storing data, collecting data. We never mined it. We never thought that it had a value, but it has a value. And so yes, without a shadow of a doubt, it has paid for itself.